Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have DOOGEE S Punk and I want to show you how to see available random access memory on this device. Our first step to do it is activate our develop mode. To do it, open settings application, scroll and look for your system selection and about phone selection, and there we must find our build number in legal information. Scroll and there we have our build number and we must tap sometimes to activate it. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and where we are developer we go back and choose system selection, where we have new additional option, developer options. In it, memory, and there we have all information about our available random access memory that now is 2.7 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.